guys, this is Jennifer. Usually I make my page markers out of these project cards, and I just stick a tab on top, and I have a video up on that. But this month I decided I was gonna try to make a pinch bookmark, which is double-sided, and I've never done this before, so once again you're kind of learning with me as I go. It just popped into my mind last night when I was doing my unboxing when my kit came. So I picked two of my favorite cards. I did pick cards that would have room for the top for the tab so that you don't lose a bunch of the words on the card. And so I've never done this before, but this is what I'm gonna do. See if it works out. So I'm just gonna washi tape those together. And trim off the excess. Give it a little bit more stability that way, because I'm not planning on laminating these. And then I'll decide which tab I want on which side. I'll do this one on the side, and I'll use my glue pen and glue that down on this side. And then use my glue pen on this side and make sure I get onto that tab so that they're adhered together. Get those lined up as straight as I can. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. So let's see. There's my planner. I am gonna put some sort of label on there, maybe with a stamp, or find a sticker. And I can just put that in. It'll stick out the top. I think that's perfect. Okay, so there it is. Pretty simple, probably nothing new, but that's how I'm gonna be making my pinch bookmarkers. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have questions.